Here at Less Annoying CRM, we are focused on simplicity, and that includes reporting. See all of the sales that you've won, monitor another user's activity, or just filter your contacts by zip code. I'll show you all of those reports and more in this video. One thing to mention, we are focused on showing you the data directly, so we're not hiding things behind dashboards or charts. However, if you need to pull that type of information, all of our reports can be exported to Excel so you can generate your custom reports from there. So this page is a list of all the contact records in your CRM, and you can filter this by any of your contact fields. So let's say I want to find all the contacts in a certain city. Just add a filter on that city field, and that's a list of everyone in St. Louis. Need to find everyone with a birthday this month? Filter by the birthday field to find everyone whose birthday is in July. This banner at the top always shows me what I'm currently looking at so I can adjust things to if I need. And you can always save a view if you want to come back to this list really easily. Additionally, you can export or print this list or select all and add this list to a group or reassign these records to somebody else. The company's page works exactly the same way. Filter and sort this list to get the report you need and save any views here that you use regularly. So let's switch gears now to filtering by your custom pipeline fields. So it works the same way, but you'll need to be on your pipeline report. Your reports might be called something else depending on your pipeline, but from the report page, you'll see a list of the records in this pipeline. Similarly to the contacts page, just add filters from over here to pull the report you need. This time, you'll be able to filter not only by contact and company fields, but you can also filter by any of the pipeline custom fields you have. Combine these custom field filters with your status filters or assigned user filters. Always can save views to access these reports easily, and you can export or print from here in a click. Here are a few other pipeline report examples. For my order report, I want to create a report to show all of my orders that still haven't been paid yet this month. So I'm going to stack a few filters. Filtering by status for orders marked as shipped, and then adding filters for my payment status field to show ones that haven't paid yet, and filtering by my close date field for this month. Or let's say you're using a project pipeline. See all of the high priority projects that are currently in progress and are assigned to a specific team member. This will help you quickly check what important projects someone is actively working on. If you're in insurance and you're using pipelines to track insurance policies, use the policy report to find all your policies with an expiration date in the next 30 days. If you want to learn more, be sure to check out our section on pipelines to learn more about customizing and using this tool as well. The activity report shows, you guessed it, all of the activity in your CRM. So think notes, emails, new contacts, tasks, events, form submissions, pipeline updates. It is automatically filtered to show the most recent week of activity, but it's a cinch to just narrow in to a different date range, like the last month or the last quarter. And these filtering options here let you report on different types of activities. So you could see all of the meetings you attended for a week or see all of the notes that your users have taken. And as always, you can export or print this to share with your admins or team members. Your daily tasks will show up on your workspace, and you can also see tasks on the calendar in a couple different views, but the task report gives you a really direct view of your task list. You can filter by date ranges to see all of your upcoming tasks, or filter by completion status to summarize your completed work. Managers, you can filter this by user to make sure that everyone is staying on top of their tasks. And you can always reassign any that need to be handled while somebody is out. If you need to make some bulk edits to tasks, this is the place to do it. Just select some tasks in bulk, and then you can move them to another due date or mark them off as completed in bulk. Again, if you need to share a report, you can filter to see all of the tasks that you completed and then print or export the list to share with your manager or an admin. So those are the simple reporting options in Less Annoying CRM. If you have any questions about this, just let us know. Again, if you're needing something more custom, we recommend exporting your data to Excel and generating additional reports that way. Or if you wanted to get really fancy, you could use our API or our integration with Zapier to automatically pull your data into another system and then build out your custom reports there. Okay, thanks for watching.